the day that I gotta get it together. Which if you saw my last post of me being a literal crybaby on the internet, over 300,000 people to see, he still showed me love. But I didn't think I was going to ever be posting me crying on the internet. I think we can all agree that life really just be lifing sometimes. Yesterday was just one of those days. And yes, I know I really need to stop wearing shoes in the house, but hear me out. Kids run out the back door barefoot, run back inside tracking in dirt. If I went with no shoes, wouldn't it kind of be defeating the purpose? I don't know, girl. Let me know. Do you wear shoes in the house? Or are you a no shoes household? Got me a little cleaning. Welcome to the chaos, babe. My name's Alina, and I'm a 27-year-old stay-at-home mom to 4 kids, 6 and under. Hence why my house gets tore up. Since I already have you here, if you could like, share, comment, and repost. And if you're not a fan of reposting, babe, don't worry. Just hit copy link, send this to someone who may love my page, or even send it back to me. While you're at it, go ahead and hit that follow button so we can be besties. Now, I don't know about you, girl, but I am not going into this weekend with a dirty house. I let myself be in my feelings yesterday. Today